Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up the rear end of your vehicle to relieve tension on the leaf springs, followed by removing the rear wheel. Remove the bolt retaining the leaf spring and push it out of the way. If you're working on the driver's side, use a 12mm socket to remove the clamps retaining the brake line cable. Step 3. Cut off the factory leaf spring bracket. Our part features 2 perforated plates that can be removed to fit over your factory front cab mount. If you decide to keep your cab mount, remove the plates at this time. Step 4. Hold your part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a line 3/4 of an inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. After removing the bottom of the frame, cut off your existing rear cab mount and double cab front bed mount, as well as any obstructions in the work area. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 5. Slide your frame section onto the frame using C-clamps to hold the part in place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the frame section onto the frame. Then, weld the part on fully. Step 6. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your rear cab mount and double cab front bed mount using the installation videos on our YouTube channel. We show you how to do this in the videos linked below. Reinstall your brake line cable and clamp using a 12mm socket. Reinstall your leaf spring. Then you're done!